a shopping space sprawled across 3 levels, a huge food court with specialized cuisine, and a state-of-the-art multiplex spread across 2 levels. These were the plans drawn up by the developers of City Centre Mall in Vashi. But 8 years down the line, this ambitious project lies completely abandoned. And along with it, the dreams and investments of many. Investors like Mr. Sharma, for example, who had bought a unit in the mall 8 years ago.
We invested something in 2007 here, and mall functioned only for 6 to 7 months. But then it collapsed.
City Centre is not the only mall to have met this fate. 5 other malls including Gold City, Wedding City and Palm Beach Galleria in the same lane have also shut shop. A disturbing trend that has been increasing in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. In a final effort to overturn this, builders are now seeking to rent out their property to commercial spaces. Dreams Mall in Bhandup is one such example. Come June, a multi-specialty hospital spread over 1 lakh square feet will open up on the 4th floor, a move that realtors believe could turn out to be beneficial for the developers and the investors alike.
The investor who's put in money is going to get returns, and the builder who's got trapped found an exit for himself. So we're looking forward to such more stories.
A part of Gold City Mall too has been converted and rented out to a fashion institute and offices in a bid to revive its sheen. As this new model picks up pace, experts make it clear that this change is here to stay and will be adopted by builders in the future.
Alternate uses continues to happen. So there will be alternate uses of, non-retail activities or allied retail activities, like coaching classes, insurance offices, and non-retail activities like hospitals, schools, training centers, which could come in, and they do come in shopping centers also on the higher levels, but they can come into these centers which have been defunct.
It's not just Mumbai. As per reports, 30% of India's malls lie vacant and most of them are located in the National Capital Region and Mumbai. With these disturbing figures, it seems developers of these malls have just one option: redevelop or perish. The Gold City in Vashi is one such mall that bears testament to the bad times that have fallen on this sector. While most investors who have their stakes in these projects are now left in the lurch, a few others have rented out their units in a bid to make up for their losses. What remains to be seen is, will this model turn out to be a game changer? Ankita Sinha, NDTV.